Hi and welcome to. We're gonna look at some trainers from Under Armour. This is the type. So this is size 11 and UA Forge 96 Luxe, and they are made of. They have leather on the top. So I've already removed them. Don't think there's anything else to show in there, and I've been wearing them once just to get used to it, because they are inside this like some leather kind of type going on. So you see how it is inside. Let's see if we can remove this. So that's how they are. They feel really nice, really light as well. I'm surprised how light they are. But the thing I like the most, and I haven't had some made of leather for quite a while, but I really like how soft is this leather. It's really good quality, and they're comfortable as well to wear. This is quite flat. Sorry, it's a bit dirty because I've been using it, but yeah, I really wanted to show you, because sometimes people might just go and say, oh no, I don't want to get this type of shoes, but they're actually really nice how they're made, and inside as well you can see very comfortable, and I really like this leather. Really good quality, and because it has these air vents, you don't feel like you get hot. So yeah, really nice.